Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this lesson, we'll learn how to check whether a given string contains only lowercase letters in JavaScript. This check is useful in form validation, text processing, and ensuring consistency in user input. Let's explore a simple and effective way to verify if a string is completely lowercase. This function is useful in validating usernames, passwords, and formatting rules. The toLowercase method helps us check if a string is already in lowercase without modifying it. This function works by converting the input string to the lowercase and checking if it remains unchanged. If the string contains any uppercase letters, the comparison fails, returning false. This method ensures that only lowercase letters pass the test, while numbers and symbols do not affect the result. The comparison is case sensitive, making it reliable for various applications. This function correctly identifies fully lowercase strings, while rejecting mixed case and uppercase strings. It also correctly handles numbers and symbols, since they do not change when converted into lowercase. This function is useful in web development, security, and data processing. It ensures consistent formatting in user input and helps prevent errors caused by case-sensitive text handling. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to detect lowercase only strings, ensuring correct case handling in JavaScript applications. This method is useful in validating user input, standardizing data, and improving search accuracy. Try using it in your projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.